guys, what's up? This is how my skin is looking without makeup right now. Just a little reference, I was actually traveling for a while. Lots of staying outdoors in the sunlight, in the pollution. Yes, I had fun, but then this happens to your skin when you don't take care of it. I don't know if you can see this or not, but just my nose itself is of three different colors. Different colors, and they're red patches, and then the nose of three different colors, and then there are different colors on my cheek and here and there, and it's like crazy. So anyways, I thought, you know what, today let me just actually relax my skin, rejuvenate my skin, and revive my skin. Wow, so many words starting with R. All of these things starting with R, using aloe vera gel. And actually, you know, I used to do this before. When I was in school, I was in the marching band, and we used to sometimes practice in the sunlight, and I would be like, in one day my skin would all just like start looking so blah, like it is looking right now. So I would sometimes after going back home, I would try out these DIYs and these recipes and these things with aloe vera gel. So yeah, beauty experiments have been a lifelong madness for me. But today I thought, hey, now that I'm a beauty blogger, let me actually share this routine with you guys on camera. And by the way, all the products I'll be using today are bought with my own money. Here's a little screenshot that I want to share with you all. And I'm not forcing anybody to use any of these products. It's just a new range which was launched by Wow, and I am really curious, so I had to get it. And if you don't want to use these things, I'll also share some other DIY recipes. You can just use these DIYs also if you want, okay? You don't have to use these products if you don't want to. I'm not forcing anyone. I'm just showing you what I'm using. So, Lyra. So yes, that's all I wanted to share for the introduction of this video. Now let's get started and let's see what this is all about. So starting the process with a quick face wash, I'm using this hydrating face wash which also contains hyaluronic acid, which is especially really good if you have dry dehydrated skin like mine. It's paraben silicones, color, and it's cruelty free. However, if you don't want to use this product, here's an alternate option. Just take your regular face wash, try to make sure it's something which contains a lot of natural ingredients, and to this add aloe vera gel separately, alright? And mix it really well so that no lumps and clumps are formed. And the aloe vera gel that I am using is from Body Cupid. It's 99% pure aloe vera gel, so I just think it's better to use something which is as pure as possible. So whichever of the two options you like, just clean up your face well and good. And then for step number 2, I have taken some coffee powder, and I have also taken sugar. You can use less sugar or avoid sugar if you have oily skin. And then to this I'm going to add aloe vera gel. So mixing everything really well, and then using the scrub on my face to scrub all the dead skin cells away. The good thing about coffee is that it really detoxifies your skin, really polishes your skin. Sugar is again really good for retaining moisture in your skin if you have dry skin, and aloe vera gel is great for dealing with sunburns and helping your skin repair itself naturally. Trust me guys, by the end of the scrubbing procedure, you will already start seeing a much better difference. Your skin will start feeling much better, more plump, more glowing. But we'll not stop here. We'll move to the next step, for which we'll be using the peel off gel mask. I'm just applying this peel off gel mask on one side of my face. On the other side of my face, I'm just sharing this option. If you don't want to use the peel off gel mask, you can just take some aloe vera whole leaf powder. To this add a little bit of raw milk which has never been boiled before, alright? And then to this add some hyaluronic serum. So hyaluronic is a great ingredient because it actually holds up to 1000 times its weight in water, and it can make your skin look so fresh, so young instantly. So this is what I'm applying on the other side of my face. You can use either of the two options, whichever one that you like the best. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and wash off or peel off whichever one that you're using. And then for the last and final step, we'll just take an ice cube and dab it very gently all over the face, and that's it. Hey guys, what's up? So it's been a couple of hours since those treatments that you just saw, and this is the afternoon time. I just washed my face with water, and now I'll be moving to the second part of today's routine. Now this is a very small step. Just have to wash your face, and then what we'll do is you can either use Wow Aloe Vera Hydrating After Sun Soothing Gel. As you can tell, this is basically something which will help keep your skin soothed. I don't know. This is just something which you can use to kind of help your skin feel soothed. Oh my god, why am I still trying to use the same word? It will soothe your skin, okay? So either you can use it, or another option is that you can actually take an aloe vera leaf. Now this is one which I've grown myself, which is why it's looking so dead, but I'm trying to learn how to grow plants anyways. So this aloe vera leaf, as you can see, I'm just making some small cuts on it using a knife on the gel. And to this, once again, you can add some hyaluronic serum. If you want, you can also add a few drops of rosehip serum to this, and massage it directly on the face and wipe off the excess. Or if you want, you can just use this soothing gel that I am using, that I'm going to use right now, and you can just massage this all over your face, all over your skin. And yeah, once you're done massaging, just wipe off all the excess. So guys, moving to the last and final part of the routine. It's the night time. I'm extremely sleepy, so I think we'll do the before after comparison tomorrow morning, because right now my eyes will be looking puffy and there's no point, right? And yeah, with that we'll move to the last and final part of the routine, which is again very simple. I've already washed my face with water because my skin wasn't feeling dirty. If you want, you can use a face wash, aloe vera gel face wash, or the face wash you made in the morning. Completely depends on you how you want to wash your face. And then I'm going to use the aloe vera sleeping pack. So this is basically something which you apply on your face, massage, and leave it on for the whole night. You don't have to remove it. Alternatively, you can take one of these toffee sheet masks. I'll share the link in the description box below. These are extremely affordable, and over this you can apply lots of aloe vera gel, and once again use some hyaluronic serum or hyaluronic acid gel. So yes guys, it's time for the last and final verdict, and I'll tell you, I woke up a few hours back and I've already washed my face with the aloe vera gel face wash. I'll not lie to you. When I woke up in the morning, because we had done a lot of aloe vera gel based treatments yesterday, while my skin was feeling plump and soft, I also just got the sensation that my skin just needs to be washed once, because with all of those treatments and everything, I just felt like washing my face. So I've already done that, and this is how my skin is looking right now. So obviously you can't see a lot of difference, because honestly it's just been one day, and that's not a lot. But if you might be able to notice some difference, the skin up close, it's looking a lot more fresh, a lot more plump. Yes, there are patches, red patches, brown patches, white patches everywhere, but overall the skin is looking more fresh and glowing and healthier. So obviously what we did yesterday, that was a one day routine. You can't do it every single day, because you can't overdo on anything. If you use too much of aloe vera gel, even that is not good. So figure out a routine that works for you. So like for example, you can use aloe vera gel face wash every single day. Once in a while use a face pack or a face mask, and things like that. Whatever works for you, depends on your skin type. Usually when you have extremely dry skin, you can use more aloe vera gel, because obviously your skin will react much better to it, especially because it'll just absorb aloe vera gel much faster. So it totally depends on what kind of a routine works for you. But all said and done, I do think that aloe vera gel is a magical ingredient, and if in one day it can actually take so much care of your skin and help in recovering your skin from so much of sun damage, that definitely speaks for itself. So guys, if you have used aloe vera gel for sunburns and treatments in the past yourself, or if you try out this similar routine yourself, please come back, share your comments in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. I would love to hear your positive, negative reviews, whatever you want to share. And also I would love to get some likes on this video, subscriptions on this channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications while subscribing, so that you can stay updated. And yes, that's all I wanted to share in today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.